I welcome you all to this session. In this session, let us discuss one more problem on internal reconstruction. First, let me go through the problem. The position of Disappointed Limited on 31st March 2020 was as follows. Liabilities 20,000 equity shares at 10 each fully paid 2 lakh, 15% 7% preference shares at 10 each fully paid 1 lakh 50,000, 13,000 5% preference shares at 10 each rupees 5 paid 65,000. There are three different classes or types of shares in the share capital. Next, 5% debenture stock 1 lakh 50,000, 4% debenture stock of 100 each 3 lakh, Sunday creditors 4 lakh 50,000, interest due on debentures 19,500. Other side assets, goodwill 80,000, land and building 1,75,000, plant and machinery 3,25,000, patents and designs 54,000, furniture and fittings 15,000, investment 75,000, Sunday debtors 4,15,000, cash in hand and at bank 20,000, profit and loss account 1,75,500, which is overdrawn. Total of the given balance sheet 13,34,500. The following scheme of reconstruction was submitted and approved by the court. As you know, court's approval is required for such a scheme for the reconstruction purpose. First one, equity shares of 10 each, which is given above in the balance sheet also, were reduced to the denominations of rupees 5 each. So, equal number, face value, difference, capital reduction. 7% preference of 10 each fully paid were reduced to 6% preference shares of 10 each. 6 rupees 6 per share paid. 10 is 6 paid, so paid up is less than subscribe. Then 5% preference shares of 10 each rupees 5 paid per share. 5% preference shares above 5 paid, reduced to 4.5% preference shares of 10 each rupees 3 paid. Then, in view of the unsatisfactory state of affairs of the company, the debenture holders agree to forgo the interest on debentures. That will be the profit to the company. The company meanwhile recovered as damages a sum of rupees 45,000 from third party. It is a profit. And it was decided to utilize this sum to write off the capital losses. So, transfer to capital reduction first. The reconstruction expenses were rupees 2,250. So, you have to give effect to reconstruction or capital reduction account also. So, first one to reduce equity share capital 10 rupees share capital, that is 20,000 into 10, 2 lakh. Now reduced to 5. So 5 equity, 5 rupee equity shares share capital account 1 lakh, difference 1 lakh to capital reduction first. Then 7% preference shares, it is given in the balance sheet, say 15,000. Yeah. Now reduced to 10 into 10 to 6% preference shares of 10 each. So 10, 1 lakh 50, 1 lakh 50 itself. Next, 6% preference share capital. Now whatever new issue, that is 6% preference share capital 60,000, 15,000 to 4 to capital reduction account means, see there, 10 rupee, 6% preference shares of 10 each, rupees 6 per share paid means 4 rupees reduction again. Similarly, 5% preference share capital 13,500, 65,000 to 4.5%, 5 rupees 65 only. Then that 4.5 that has to be reduced to say 5 rupees to 3 rupees now. 2 rupee to be transferred to capital reduction. 4.5% preference share capital account debit to capital reduction account. Then interest accrued debentures, it is given on the liability side as a liability. Now they forgo means that will be the profit to the company, hence to be transferred to capital reduction account. Entry interest, you see that credit balance, now to close debit to capital reduction account. Then bank account due to damages, that is given at the end of the problem, that they got damage from the third party, that is income. Bank account due to damages account, then damages account has to be transferred to capital reduction because it is said that they decided to utilize this amount for writing up of losses, capital loss. So transferring to capital reduction account. Then reconstruction expenses to bank account when paid, that has to be transferred later. So capital reduction account, now keep on adding from first entry 1 lakh, then from third entry 60,000, it is 1 lakh 60, then from entry number 5 26, so 26 1 lakh 86,000 plus now 19,500, it is plus 45,000. So total 2,50,500. Use it for writing up. Nothing said about the writing up of set, but 50 cess has to be written off. First it is profit loss of 1,75,500. Then reconstruction expense 2,250. Balance to be utilized to write off the goodwill. It is not fully available, so it is like loss, other fictitious asset, then goodwill. Even if it is not spelled in specifically in the problem, you have to use. So goodwill total 80,000, but amount or balance available in capital reduction account is only 72,500. In case if it exceeds 80, then no other fictitious asset, then it should be transferred to capital reserve. So now balance sheet after reconstruction of disappointed limited. Liability share capital 20,000, equity shares 10 reduced to 5 now, 1 lakh from entry number 2. Then 15,000 6% preference shares 10 rupee reduced to 6, 90,000, because from see this 1 lakh 50, 60,000 reduced. Then 13,000 4.5% preference shares of 10 each, rupees 3 paid, 39,000. 5% debenture stock as it is, 4% debenture stock also as it is. Sundry creditors for 4.5 lakh. The debenture interest is cancelled. Goodwill out of 80,000, 72,050 written off. See, credit given. So balance 7,250. Land and building, plant and machinery, patents and designs, furniture fittings as it is, including investment and debtors, no change. Then cash in hand and at bank, 20,000 from given balance sheet plus 45,000 damage received. From that expense 2,250 where you have credited bank. So balance sheet total 11,29,000. This is all about the problem. Thank you.